Hey guys, my name is Giovanni Nelson from Lepaleshadow, and quickly I want to show you guys how to create a service agreement for your social media marketing agency or digital marketing agency. Specifically for people who are similar to myself, we're college students, we don't have a lot of money to spend on legal fees for contract creation. So this video is perfect for you. I'm going to show you guys how to create a general service agreement, which is what most social media marketing agencies use today. But I'm going to show you guys how to create it 100% for free. This is what it will look like at the end. You can see that. But before I start, I do want to give a shout out to my college. As you can see, the sweater, Baruch College. Go Bearcats. Please comment your college down below. Hopefully we'll be seeing each other in some form of competition. You know, who knows? Who knows? But let me switch over to my view of my computer now.
There, this is what you're going to see. This is the general service agreement. It tells you to start the steps at the top. It's going to tell you to go through get started, services, parties, compensation, terms, final details, and print and download, where you can officially print and download it, of course. This link will also be in the bio, so check it out below. But let's quickly go through it now. So the first thing they're going to ask you is service is needed. Now, this is basically the time frame. And since, this is going to be a general service agreement, we're not going to specify the time frame for it because it might change with the different clients you have. We're going to basically skip this part until we discuss it with the client. So at the bottom here, next to save and continue, click skip this step for now. Sorry. Routing. Second question I'm going to ask you is location. So we're going to skip a lot of things, but location is important. It's not going to allow you to skip it. Put the state that your business is located or where you're going to be freelancing at. So for us, it's New York. So I'm going to keep this and click save and continue. Service details. Now, again, this is another thing that you're going to have to discuss with your clients. So for right now, we're going to leave this empty and click skip this step for now. Voting. So again, you have to specify if you're going to be, if you're going to be doing it freelance or you're going to do it as a corporation or organization. I created an LLC. You don't really need to create an LLC. You can do it freelance. But since I created an LLC, I'm just going to specify corporation or organization. Put the business name there, where we're located, including the state, the city, and the zip code. Click save and continue. So it's asking about your client. Again, since we don't have a client yet, and this is just going to be general for anybody, we're going to skip this step for now. Billing details. Of course, again, depends on your client. Skip the step for now. Deposit, client, skip step. I'm just going to keep saying that now. Client, skip step at the same time. Payment, client, skip step, because it all depends. If you want to do it on a monthly basis, 2 weeks, or every week, again, depends on the client. If you're doing a free trial or, all of that comes into play. So you got to discuss it with your client. So skip this step for now. Late fees. God, don't we hate late fees? But since we're newbies, I'm pretty sure we're not going to be, applying late fees to our business. If you want to, it's there. It's up to you. I'm not going to do that. Skip the step for now. Termination of contract. Now, this is something I am going to do because you do not want clients just dropping like flies, with no excuses and on the last minute, like, oh, you know what, we don't want your service anymore. We're not going to pay you for this month. No. So we're going to give them 30 days. They have to let you know in 30 days if they're going to cancel. And by the end of that following month, that's when they can cancel with no fees being added on. It's cool. We can shake hands. See you later. So switch this to 30 days. 30 days. Save and continue. Expenses. Will a client reimburse reasonable work-related expenses? I put yes. Yeah, because again, You did the work. You deserve to get paid, but you can discuss it with your clients. It's up to you. I'm going to click save and continue. You're going to pay me for the work I do. And intellectual property. Now, this goes without saying. It's the client's Facebook account, the client Instagram account, it's the client's business networks. Once you guys are done, if they want to terminate anything, of course, it's all should go back to the client. You should remind them to change all their passwords just so anything happens, they don't blame it on you. So of course, the client will receive complete ownership of everything. Please, client owns it. Save and continue. Will the contractor have a duty to not reveal confidential client information? Of course. Why would you be revealing this to anybody else? Other than the campaign step that you go through, you shouldn't reveal this to anybody else. It goes without saying. Save and continue. Do you want to include any additional information? I would say skip this step for now. You might want to add some clauses in there. It's completely up to you. But of course, you have to speak to a lawyer about that. If you have a friend that knows law or whatever, you can add that in. But yeah, I would definitely say skip this for now, just in case you want to add anything else into that. When will this contract be signed? Again, depends on when you get your client. After you close them, of course, you want them to sign the contract. So that will be the day that you specify in the contract. But for right now, this is general. We're going to skip this step until we get a client. And this is what it's going to look like when it's done. So before you're able to download it, it's going to ask you for a payment option. They offer a 1 week free trial. I would say click on that. And once you set up an account and do the 1 week free trial, then you'll get this option up here where it says download. Of course, everyone likes to download as Microsoft Word. Completely up to you if you want to download it as anything else. I'm going to download it as Microsoft Word. And as you see, there's my download. It's here. My general service agreement. And I'll show you what it looks like now. Oh, it's taking a while to load. Sorry, guys. Slow computers. Need a new Mac. But here it looks. Here's what it looks like. General service agreements. Background and consideration of. All general items here. The bottom it says your name, where you're located. And yeah, so you can read through this. It's very interesting, but it's good to have. And yeah, that's basically it when it comes to the contract.
Alright guys, so that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. I am a newbie like the rest of you guys, but I've learned a lot. I do have 2 clients right now, and I also do affiliate marketing. I work with a couple colleagues. We're all communication majors at Baruch College. Go Bearcats! But if you guys have any questions or you guys want any help with anything, please put in the comment below. If I don't know, I'll refer you to a Facebook group that I'm a part of that will answer your question. There's a lot of resources online, but definitely this is something that we're interested in, and do this throughout our Facebook, campaigns and everything that we do. We decided to create a page and just push content there. So let me know if you guys want to know anything else. Also remember, comment your college below. Also subscribe too, because I'll be pushing out something else on, I think my next video is going to be on WordPress. I'm going to show you guys how to create a website on WordPress, and also tell you guys how to set up cold calling and other tactics to get clients. So definitely stay tuned for that one. I'm still thinking it up, but I'm going to show you guys a lot. It's going to be a lot all from my handy dandy MacBook. So you're going to see a lot of things that I do online, because most times I don't go to businesses. I just contact them through my computer. So stay tuned for that one, and definitely subscribe.